An important feature of any front porch or stairway is the handrail. Decorative as well as functional, they can greatly enhance your home's curb appeal, while at the same time providing stability for those that need it. A new handrail on the front steps will enhance your home's charm, but the real advantage is the added stability it offers. Porch stair handrails have rigid construction requirements to guarantee safety and integrity. Understanding the basic requirements and choices for building porch stair handrails or deck handrails will save you both time and money. Many handrail systems are created to ensure these specifications are met. Selecting the right system can make building your porch handrails easy. It is essential you check with your regional building codes department to obtain the specific requirements for handrails in your community before you build. Outdoor handrails can be made from materials such as wood, composites, wrought iron, metal, and aluminum. If you would like low maintenance and sturdiness, give some thought to PVC or vinyl handrail systems. They are very well liked and relatively easy to install. Most PVC railing systems have wood or metal inserts. Vinyl railings usually do not. One of the best reasons for using vinyl materials for outdoor home improvement projects is that vinyl needs little upkeep throughout its lifetime. Preserving a wood or metal fence is necessary as the materials fade, rot, chip, or rust as time goes by. Unlike wood or metal, vinyl is developed to tolerate the elements. High-grade vinyl will not fade, rot, rust, or look old. The only routine maintenance you will need to carry out your vinyl fence is to clean with soap and water, and your railing will look like new. It's the only railing you'll need for the life of your home, and you will never have to be concerned about upgrading your fence or having a property that looks outdated and run down. Vinyl is extremely easy to customize. The options are practically endless. A large range of styles and accessories that match every environment makes a vinyl railing one of the most attractive types of railings available today. With the many varieties of fencing and railings needed for your property, vinyl can be a high-end improvement to your home that is also reasonably priced and can offer many decorative styles. Visit avbpinc.com or call the number listed for more information.